Have you ever tried a burger with rice for buns? Today I went to a well-known burger shop in Japan called Moss Burger. The burgers here don't really taste like ones you might get in the States, but that's definitely not a bad thing. My observation is that the food here uses combinations that the locals might enjoy a bit more. Like besides the buns just being made out of rice, it also used thinly sliced beef in the middle with yakiniku sauce instead of that traditional beef patty. I must say, the sweet and savory combination worked really well. I was impressed that the rice didn't fall apart or even stick to my fingers. This next burger had a beef and pork patty, which is actually quite common with a lot of ground meat in Japan. It looked decent, but it could definitely use some fries, so I'm just gonna insert a few in the middle right there, and oh my goodness, that is a good burger. I low-key was thinking about getting another one, but I decided to get this seasonal matcha green tea milkshake instead. I'm kind of a sucker for seasonal items, but hey, why not enjoy it while it lasts, right? Milkshakes go well with burgers. Anyways, would you try a rice burger? Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and while you're at it, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe for daily food videos from Japan.